From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, January 19th. Say goodbye to AOL dial-up speeds. Carnival Corporation has announced that it's in the process of rolling out SpaceX's Starlink internet to its global fleet. The rollout of the high-speed satellite internet started last month on Carnival Cruise Line and AIDA ships over in Germany. It'll also be installed on Princess, Holland America, Cunard, Seabourn, Costa, P&O, and P&O Australia fleets. Other cruise brands that have also added Starlink to their fleets include Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, Silver Dream, Silver Sea, Hurtigruten Expeditions, and American Cruise Line. And Disney Cruise Line has announced a new fireworks show that'll be featured on most Bahamas, Caribbean, and Mediterranean voyages over the summer. The show will be part of Disney's 25th anniversary celebration and feature iconic Disney music and a new original song. The line will also be giving Castaway Club members a new gift this summer, a limited edition framed art print of Captain Mickey created by Disney and artist Joe Kaminsky. For more information on Disney Cruise Line's special 25th anniversary events, go to cruiseradio.net. And finally, MSC Cruises has announced a new partnership with Madison Square Garden, making it the official cruise line partner of the New York Knicks. Through the partnership, MSC will receive brand promotion at the Garden, including signage at the basketball games. It'll also serve as the presenting partner in the game t-shirt toss. Always enjoy that one. This spring, the Knicks will host a Junior Knicks Clinic on the MSC Maravilla basketball court during the ship's inaugural call in Brooklyn. During the clinic, participants will be able to take part in basketball drills and training and also meet the Knicks alumni. And cruise line stocks were down on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down 4.2%, 10.42. Royal Caribbean down 3%, 62.22. And Norwegian down 3%, 15.53. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net.